The exhibition Van Cleef Arpels, Time, Nature, Love was on display at Palazzo Reale from November 30th, 2019 to February 23rd, 2020.
We're extremely happy and honored to have, for the first time, a major initiative of the house in Italy, in a very well-established and highly respected museum in the city of art and culture, Milan.
The time section is articulated in 8 different rooms. The first room is dedicated to Paris, the place where the story began. Then we have exoticism, the influence of exoticism in the production of beauty. Then I found in Italo Calvino 6 memos for the next millennium, a very useful support in terms of methodology. Calvino is a well-known Italian writer. He wrote some values to be transmitted in the next millennium. And I realized that Calvino values are very important also for jewelry, not just for literature. Starting from lightness, the value of going on the light of things. Then we have a value related to time, is quickness. Then we have visibility. Calvino says fantasy is a place where it rains. The power of imagination is in the Van Cleef & Arpels DNA. Then we have exactitude, and I associated exactitude to the incredible craftsmanship, the mystery set of the Maison. The last value, multiplicity, belongs to Van Cleef & Arpels, starting from the principle of transformability. From the Calvino values, we move to the intersections. We dedicated 3 rooms to dance, fashion, and architecture. Love is the most powerful energy in the world. Van Cleef & Arpels sealed love stories with love symbols. And of course, we have stunning masterpieces like the tiara worn by Grace Kelly for the wedding of her daughter, or a beautiful collarette belonging to Liz Taylor and as a love gift by Richard Burton. The last 3 rooms are dedicated to nature. That has always been a powerful source of inspiration for the Van Cleef & Arpels Maison. And I divided the nature part into 3 rooms dedicated to flora, fauna, and botanics, where we can see the blooming world of the Maison.
I use light as magic and colored light as magic. I use light to create this atmosphere, a kind of an immersive environment.
I think it's going to bring a very strong emotion. I think it's going to bring a sense of wonder. It's really about conversation between cultures and creative categories. And it's really about enchantment.